How to display Hello World in VS Code. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, open Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Click File, open folder, and then create a new folder. Create a folder with the name C, or you can name the folder anything you want, and then click New. Create a file named hello.c and then write your code. Type a number sign followed by include stdio.h to include standard input-output, and then type a number sign followed by include CS50.h to include the CS50 library, and then type int main void and then type printf hello world. Then open a browser to download the CS50 library for C on GitHub. In that case, if you need this library for your course in CS50, we need this source. So next, download the code. Save in sim folder or in sim directory, and then open. After that, unzip the library, which includes CS50.c and CS50.h. Then open again, open src and copy it, both of them, to C directory or C folder. Yeah, we make sure it's same directory or same folder. And then open VS Code again, open in terminal, don't forget to save. Type gcc hello.c min o space hello space CS50.c to compile the program. This is DXC. It's mean we success to compile, and then to run it, type /hello. Yeah, it's appear hello world. It's mean we are success to run this code. Thank you. If you have any question, please comment below on comment section. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.